You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name from Irish originally, or Gaelic. It's the name of a festival held on the 1st of May. It's also the Irish name for the month of May too, if you want to learn more useful Irish. Stay tuned. How do you pronounce it though? The spelling makes it confusing. Let's break it down. Beltaine. I wrote the phonetic spelling on your screen, as you can see. Beltaine or tina. Beltaine. How to pronounce it? Irish pronunciation. Beltaine. In English, say the same thing. I know the spelling doesn't really make sense in English, but you'll have to remember it. Beltaine. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.